Okay everyone, so our first step will be to add our vanilla and our buttermilk to our egg mixture, and we're just going to make sure that we whisk that up real good. And then our next step is to add our melted butter. Make sure that it is cooled down, and then you can go ahead and combine them together. Okay, so now you can go ahead and make some space inside the middle of your bowl with your flour, and then go ahead and add about 1/4 of your wet ingredients and just fold that in until it's mixed together, and just keep on adding your wet ingredients until everything is combined. Hey everyone, so once your bowl is basically scraped down, go ahead and let your batter sit for about 10 minutes so it can be able to settle down. And then once you are finished, you can go ahead and make your pancakes or whatever you like. But today we will be using it for our deep fried brownies. And when I tell you guys, these are going to be delicious. Yes, they are. So I went ahead and dipped my brownies inside of my pancake batter. And I noticed that for some reason the regular pot wasn't working, so I went ahead and switched over to a deep fryer, my dad's deep fryer, and I felt like it made it way better and easier. And you guys, I'm so sorry, my camera actually went dead on this part, so yeah, just enjoy the little iPhone camera video that I did. I cannot talk right now while I'm doing this voiceover, but you guys get what I'm saying. Okay everyone, so once your brownies are finished frying, go ahead and put them on a cooling rack so they can cool down. And if you're planning on taking pictures, go ahead and put it in the display plate. Use a mini sift or any type of sift to put powdered sugar over it. Now when I tell you I was struggling just to put the ice cream on top, but I used butter pecan ice cream. I went ahead and put more powdered sugar on top, and then I also had some melted chocolate on hand that I did from scratch. Of course not the chocolate by itself, but then just go ahead and do that and just decorate your deep fried brownies on how you would like it, and boom, you got your deep fried brownies. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.